My air conditioner is making a loud noise. Why is it doing that?
Maybe it is groaning under the load. Or it is worried about how high your electric bill will be.
I need a few ideas of what to do about it.
It might be the compressor. Those are usually noisy, but they get louder and clankier as they wear out.
It sounds like my car motor when it was about to conk out.
The fan motor makes noise when it starts to wear out. It grinds too, if the lubrication disappears.
The squeaky wheel needs the grease. Can they fix it?
If the motor is grinding or extra noises, it has to be replaced.
Could it be the fan?
I heard a god-awful noise when a snake crawled onto the top of the air conditioner before falling in. The fans thumped and whirred for a long while afterward.
What did you do?
I turned the water hose on high and tried to wash out the snake cuts. But in general, the fan won't make noise unless the fan motor is wearing down, has started scraping the side of the AC, or something has fallen into the air conditioner.
I don't think I've got snakes sunning themselves on my AC.
Your AC could have a screw loose. The AC will make quite a racket if it falls against the fan blades.
I can imagine that it would make noise if the screws are coming loose too, making everything vibrate noisily. But someone said it might be the blower.
The blower has its own motor, and that one can make noise just like the others. It tends to sound louder than other motors that fail because it is often closer to the house.
Pity I can't take the AC to the mechanic and have to wait for the repairman to come to me.
At least the AC can't leave you stranded on the side of the road.
No, just leave me sitting in the sweltering heat.